Dogs found dismembered and dumped in a Detroit basement.
It was a story that brought our own Ronnie Dahl to tears and had you, Channel 7 viewers, outraged.
After months of investigation and arrest in the case, finally, and who did it? Just as shocking.
Tonight, Ronnie is back with an update on her story to catch a dog killer. And we must warn you, some of the details are very graphic.
On a tree-lined street with manicured lawns, a deep, dark, disturbing secret discovered at the house with the red door. The smells.
This is like one of the worst smells ever.
The sights.
Oh.
The horror are hard to forget.
Is that a tail?
Countless dogs discovered chopped up, mutilated, tortured.
I'm trying to think of that little doggy.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing he was probably alive when they did whatever.
Yeah, he could have been.
Sorry.
6 months after my story first aired, an arrest and conviction.
It took a lot of investigative work.
And the person responsible, just a child.
We discovered that is a minor. This youngster did make a full confession that he had been not only mutilating dogs, but he had also been torturing them in numerous other ways.
Court records documenting the dark and disturbing details. The teen, who was 14 at the time of the discovery, telling police he killed at least 5 dogs by drowning or suffocation. He would tie the legs of the dogs and put their heads underwater, or tie a bag around the head and watch them die, which could take up to an hour.
It's horrible to think that a child is capable of that type of cruelty to animals.
The teen stated he would steal dogs, some of them family pets, and sometimes he would fight them. Not for money though, but just to see them fight. Sometimes he said it felt good, other times it would make him throw up. Because of his age, we're not releasing his name.
It's obvious that this person has something what we call as a conduct disorder.
Dr. Ansar Mohammed is a psychiatrist with Henry Ford Hospital. He's not treating the team responsible for the dog killings, but has extensive experience in dealing with troubled kids. He says all parents should look for warning signs starting at a young age.
By the age of 7 or 8, the kid is seriously starting to act on the environment in terms of violating the norms, aggression towards the property, tearing apart the house, throwing things, punching holes in the walls, burning things.
The teen, convicted on several charges, is now in juvenile detention.
I feel better knowing that the community is safer with him off the streets.
While in custody, the teenager is getting some much-needed counseling. It won't erase the horror at the house with the red door, but it could save other dogs from suffering the same fate. In Detroit, Ronnie Dahl, 7 Action News.